Ready to transform your bike into a powerful electric machine? Today, we are diving into the top 5 electric bike conversion kits 2025, easy DIY e-bike upgrades that make upgrading simple and affordable. Whether you want more speed, better range, or just a fun new ride, these kits have you covered. The product links are in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Taking the #1 spot is the Nbpower 135mm electric bike conversion kit, a high-performance upgrade built for serious e-bike enthusiasts. Designed for bicycles with a 135mm rear fork, this kit packs a powerful 3,000-watt motor that runs on 48 to 72 volts, delivering intense torque and top-end speed for commuting or off-road adventures. It features a 26-inch rear wheel and a single-speed freewheel setup, making it simple yet incredibly efficient. The sine wave controller included in the kit offers smoother and quieter motor operation, and it comes housed in a practical controller bag for organized installation. What sets this kit apart is the TFT UKC1 color display, which keeps you informed with real-time stats like speed, voltage, and power output. With its lightweight aluminum frame and dual suspension compatibility, it offers solid performance and durability. Whether you are upgrading your mountain bike or converting a commuter, this kit brings pro-level features in a DIY package. Taking the second spot is the AW Electric 26-inch bike conversion kit, a powerful and practical solution for upgrading your regular bicycle into a high-performance electric ride. Equipped with a 48-volt, 1,000-watt brushless and gearless hub motor, this kit delivers smooth, efficient, and quiet operation, allowing you to reach speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour, or approximately 28 miles per hour. It is compatible with standard and mountain bike frames, making it ideal for commuting, recreation, or short-distance travel. Built on a durable aluminum alloy frame, it can support up to 220 pounds while maintaining stability and minimal friction thanks to a gearless drive system. The thumb throttle includes 3 battery-level indicators, so you are never caught off guard by a drained battery. This kit fits any 26-inch bicycle with a 5/16" rear dropout and supports both disc and V-brakes for flexible installation. With essential components included and a straightforward assembly process, it is a user-friendly upgrade that promotes both environmental sustainability and riding safety. Next on our list is the L-Faster 450-watt left-drive conversion kit, an efficient and compact electric upgrade ideal for riders looking for a lightweight and customizable e-bike solution. This 36-volt kit uses a Unite-Ran motor mounted on the left side, making it compatible specifically with bicycles that use a V-brake system on the rear wheel. It is important to note that this kit is not suitable for bikes with disc or coaster brakes. The package includes a left-side motor kit without battery or charger, and while it fits many standard frames, users may need to modify the motor bracket depending on their bike's design. The manufacturer encourages users to send bike images for guidance, ensuring a better fit and function. Offering a choice between a thumb throttle and a twist throttle with key, this kit adapts to rider preference easily. The 36-volt option supports longer ride durations with improved current handling, making it an ideal pick for everyday commutes. With a simple aluminum frame compatibility, fuse-protected controller, and straight-to-the-point setup, it offers a dependable and cost-effective entry into the electric bike world for DIY enthusiasts. At number 4, the AW Electric 48-volt bike conversion kit stands out as a feature-rich upgrade for turning a standard bicycle into a reliable electric commuter. Designed for 26-inch bicycle frames with 5 and 5/16" rear dropout spacing, this kit includes a robust 1,000-watt brushless and gearless hub motor capable of delivering speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour. Its 48-volt, 30-ampere dual-mode controller ensures the motor can operate in both Hall and non-Hall sensor modes, extending the lifespan of the system and maintaining performance even if electronic components fail. One of its highlights is the pedal assist system, which senses pedal cadence and reduces wrist fatigue by eliminating the need for constant throttle input, making it perfect for longer rides. An informative LCD panel displays key metrics like PAS level, battery voltage, mileage, and ride time.
Safety is prioritized with responsive brake levers that immediately cut power when engaged. Built from durable aluminum alloy and certified for quality and safety, this kit supports up to 220 pounds and is a great choice for smooth, efficient, and low-maintenance electric biking.
Taking the number 5 spot is the AW Electric Front Wheel Conversion Kit, a well-balanced option for riders looking to convert their bicycle into an eco-friendly electric vehicle. This kit features a 36-volt, 750-watt brushless and gearless hub motor that delivers efficient and quiet operation, allowing speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour or 28 miles per hour. It is designed for 24-inch bicycle frames with a 3 and 15/16-inch front dropout spacing, and it is compatible with both V-brakes and disc brakes, giving riders flexible installation choices. The aluminum alloy frame is engineered for durability and supports a load of up to 220 pounds, while the gearless drive system reduces friction and eliminates chain-related maintenance. A user-friendly thumb throttle with 3 battery-level indicators keeps you aware of your charge status, ensuring uninterrupted rides. The kit also includes handbrakes that automatically cut off motor power for safety and energy savings. With CE certification, environmentally conscious battery operation, and all essential components included for a smooth DIY setup, this front wheel kit is perfect for commuting and casual riding.